Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of my new listings. This is an exceptionally clean 2017 Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat, point out some of the cool features. Of course, with all the Boston Whalers, you've got your AccuTrack hull here. Between the hull and the deck is all closed cell foam. Big reverse chines, nice flare to the bow as well. That's where your dry ride comes from, and very comfortable ride, especially in choppy weather. So the 270 Vantage has probably been, one of our most popular models in the 27-foot range. It's a great family boat. It does give you a lot of comfort. Simply, this particular one has your enclosure all the way around, and also you've got the windshield. So if it's kind of cool outside or inclement weather, you can still go boating, which is, one of the biggest advantages of the dual consoles. So this one's got your big Verados 225s, very low hours on these motors. These are about 132 hours. The hull is classic tan, and we do have our white rub rail with stainless steel insert, of course the hard top, and the aft sunshade. And the aft sunshade's very, very nice, especially down here in Florida. So it gives, you and your guests quite a bit more shade from the sun. When we go into the boat, on our port side, we've got a built-in battery charger here, beautiful seat in the back. This actually rolls up out of the way. Lots of rod holders all the way around. Underneath this seat, we have our recirculating bait well. Yeti cooler over here with a nice station, fresh water. In the back of the boat, plenty of storage all the way around. And then right here, this is pretty cool too. So you can have the seat in this position here. You can have it laid down, make into a lounger. Very, very popular. This is the enclosure that we talked about earlier. We also have a full bow and cockpit cover that come with the boat. Here at the dash, Garmin 12-inch GPS chart plotter, Garmin VHF Fusion stereo, digital throttle and shift here with the 225s, and again only about 133 hours on the motors. Very comfortable bow, very deep. We also have our windlass up front, additional freshwater sprayer here, grab handles for safety, tons of storage all the way around. Now I've got the canvas in here, but we also have your fully enclosed head with dockside and overboard discharge. So for 2017, the boat's very well equipped, exceptionally nice condition for the year of the boat, in my opinion. So to recap, 2017 Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. Boat's located here at MarineMax in Venice. And this is Jeremy Bradshaw. I'm the listing broker. So if you'd like some additional information, feel free to give me a call. My cell number is 941-376-3345. Thank you for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.